a story of how Rangi builds a boat. A champion boat builder, Rangi is creating his latest masterpiece. With a strong hull, a large sail and padded seats, he is about ready to set sail.
Rangi, time for bed.
The launch will need to wait until the morning. This sailor needs his rest.
Night, son.
Good night.
Hey, what's my dressing gown doing here?
And my tie?
And my pillow?
I don't know. Come on, Mum, let's go to bed.
Oh dear, Rangi is not going to be happy when he wakes up.
Where is my ship?
An annoyed Rangi sets about collecting his materials together again. Sail in place, ropes set, and seats ready.
And now I leave my passengers.
Rangi is ready to launch his ship once again.
Oh, crikey there, boy. I need this tie today. I don't know.
Uh-oh. This reminds Rangi of the story of his great tupuna, Rata. This tale takes place in the forest of the guardian, Tāne Mahuta. Rata did not know the rules of the forest.
I shall build a waka from this tree,
declared Rata. He worked tirelessly carving and shaping his waka from the tree. As the sun fell and the moon rose, an exhausted Rata went to sleep. When the sun was high, Rata returned to his work, but the waka was gone, and the tree stood once again.
Huh? What happened?
A confused Rata cuts down the tree and begins to build his waka again. When night arrived, instead of sleeping, Rata hid in the bushes. Just as the sun was about to rise, the children of Tāne Mahuta appeared.
Who does he think he is?
Doesn't he know the rules of the forest?
He should say a karakia to Tāne Mahuta.
You need permission to cut down a tree.
The children of the forest restore the tree to life. A very embarrassed Rata slowly emerges from behind the trees. He apologizes to the children and says a karakia to Tāne Mahuta. He cuts the tree down again and carves it into a great waka.
Oh, what are they doing with this pillow now?
I don't know.
Oh dear, Rangi is just like his tupuna, Rata.
He should have asked permission to use his parents' things.
Now his parents are going to break his ship again.
Darling, what are you doing with all of this?
I'm making a ship.
Oh, a ship.
Sorry, I should have asked.
Yeah, you should have asked, but that's all right. We can help you make a new one.
But let's build it using things that we aren't using, okay?
The family set to work recreating a ship together.